needs to build a mobile application which will connect all the students of the campus on the basis of their skills, irrespective of their branches and stream. And this project also allow educational institutions to reach to their maximum potential in order to impart education within the skills within the students. As in today's scenario, the colleges doesn't focus much on the skills. They are restricted towards their academic curricula. So now we are aiming to build a platform which will promote the skill culture on a college campuses. So we are having the four objective that we have to fulfill in the society. That is to establish the skill-based education system parallelly with a conventional education system. Second is to create an environment where the like-minded people can connect and communicate, where the graphic designer will communicate with each other on the campus, where the programmers will communicate, where the electrical and electronic engineers, they will share their ideas. We want to build this platform. And third one is to implement the interclass peer learning model on a campus. Now the thing is like we don't know much of our juniors. Our juniors doesn't know much of our their seniors. So we want to build a platform where there will be the interclass peer learning. Means juniors will be learning from the seniors and seniors will be teaching to the juniors. So, and the fourth point is to promote an interdisciplinary problem solving culture. In today's campus, there is a lack of interdisciplinary problem solving approach as many institutions, many of the computer engineering students focus on their field, mechanical students focus on their field, and electrical goes with them. But we want to promote the interdisciplinary culture. We want to bring together the students from the mechanical, computer, civil, electronics, pharmacy together on a single platform so that they can work on solving a problem and which will help in bringing our society up. Yes. So I would like to request my teammate Israr to continue further.
Not audible. Yes,
Hello.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you are
So
audible.
okay. So let's continue. Basically, our final product would be a mobile application and a web application. Mobile application would be used by students, alumni, and staff of the campus, and the web application would be used by the admin to monitor the campus. After that, let's move to the system architecture. So basically in system architecture, you can see at the top level, we have the mobile application and at the below, we have the web app. For mobile application, basically we have a backend built in Python using the GraphQL architecture. There we are using Fast API framework and we are using Strawberry library to implement that GraphQL architecture. Mobile application and web app application both are connected to a PostgreSQL database, and for media services, we are using Firebase. So this was all about system architecture. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate the application live. So let me just share my screen. Yeah, so is it screen visible? Okay.
Yes.
So you can see, let me just first log out. So this is the login screen. There first I need to enter the login credentials. And after that I need to enter my password.
Was sir? Is it I'm exited?
Excuse me, once again, once again. Ashirvad,
Yes, sir. I'm exited. Or what?
yeah, you are exited by yourself, I think so. You haven't got the internet with yourself. And just wait a minute. Other person, other members are presenting now. Just wait a bit.
Okay, sir. I'm waiting.
You will be got it.
Okay, so I'm
Sorry for
continuing.
the inconvenience. Sorry for the
Okay, no
inconvenience.
problem. No problem, sir. So at the home screen, you can see the projects. Whatever the projects are being built in the campus, all those projects will be available at the top. And you can see the likes and comments, all those count will be shown over there. Who has created that project, what is the title of that project, all those details would be present over there. You can see in post, every minor details are included like who has posted this, whether the post is from admin, from alumni, from student, all those things are indicated by different colors that you can see. For example, in the code you can see that orange color or something red color. So that represents that this post belongs to admin. But if you go down, you can see the orange post by Great Tesla. So this means it is belongs to alumni of the campus. If you want to like a post, you can just click on this like button. If you want to comment on this post, you can just comment on it. Just click on the comment box and there you can add whatever comment you want. So you can see the comment also count as one. After this, so this is the home screen. Let's move to the explore section. In this explore section, at the top, you will see the trending technologies. And after that, you can see the tips and tricks section, then internship section, internship. And after that, we have jobs. After that, trending talks, latest news, latest event, others, and all those things. If a user wants to create a post, then he needs to click on this plus icon. Here first the user needs to select the category of the post, whether the post belongs to project, tips and trick, internship, all those things user needs to select. For example, for now let me just select the internship, and after that user needs to select the branch, means to which branch this post should be visible. For example, in our AI KTC, there are branches like engineering, pharmacy, and architecture. If I want this post to be visible to only computer engineering students, so I will just select computer. You can see it is selected. After that, I need to click on the next button, and there I can enter the title, let's say Flutter internship, and after that I can add thumbnail for the post. So let me just add a random thumbnail. So I added this, and after that in description, some description of the post. You can enter whatever you want. For now I'm just entering some description of post, and after that I will click on post button. So now the post has been added. So that was the posting feature. After that we have the collab section. In the collab section, you can manage all your connections. You can see the invitations, like who has invited you. You can accept the invitation by clicking on this right icon, or you can reject the invitation by clicking on this cross icon. And you can also see the invitations from the communities. So this is the collab section, and after that we have a chat section. You can chat with any member. And after that, let's see the profile section. So in the profile section, you will see first the username, and after that his title, for example Flutter tech enthusiast, and the user description. And below that you can see the skills possessed by user. So for example, right now the user is having these 4 skills. User can delete the skills, and if a user wants to enter any skill, he needs to click on this plus icon. And after that, let's say I want to add some skills, like let me search a skill with which is having comp keyword. So these are the skills related to that. Let me just add skill of Apple compressor. So I will click on that. You can see skill got added. And after that, below, you will see the projects created by that user. And after that, post. You can see this is the post just now I had created. So all the posts created by user would be present at the bottom. And the experience of the user, if the user has done some internship, all those details are present over here. So let's back. So basically this was the overview of the mobile application. Now I would request my friend Mohib to continue with the web application for the admin side.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
Isra.
excuse me, guys. Excuse me,
Yes.
guys. Just give a brief on the thing, because it's like bit time consuming. You are doing great. Just continue, carry on, and
Yeah.
try to be brief with it
Yeah.
content. Okay.
I'll be taking only 5 minutes, Karthik.
No,
Sorry
no,
for inconvenience. Yes.
no, not at all. It's
Yes.
you just take your time. Uh, just be briefing the content. It will be
Okay. Yeah.
lines. I think
Sure.
so. Okay.
Uh, Isra, can you please close your screen? You are present. Can you able to see my screen?
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah, can you able to see? Yeah, it's visible, huh? Okay. Now, our application is all about bringing the student of the campus together and letting them to learn the skills and teach the skills and all those things. So you have seen about the mobile application, what all feature our application provides. Now let's see the admin feature, like this application will be managed by the college itself. So what all feature that we are giving to the college. So I just click on the login button from this landing page. Yes, I just log in into the system with my credentials, ABC as a password, and I sign in into the system. Um, Let me close my camera because it's taking memory. It's consuming memory. Yes. Um, it's taking little time as this is our dashboard over here. This is a dashboard where the admin can see like what are the number of posts the user have posted in the last week. On in Friday there are 4 number of posts on the campus. On the Thursday there were 2, and this is a like section, like how many number of likes were there and how many number of comments were there. So this data is displaying that thing. We are having the total number of users in a system, and further trending communities that exist in a system are displayed over here. And this is showing the real-time scenario, like what are the number of users using the application currently. Now let us focus on this authority give you an access to define your own structure of the college, like AIKTC is having the pharmacy, engineering, and architecture as the sections, and as well as its first year, second year. So we can create the structure like this. Further, we are having the users section. uh, in this section, user we can add the users, and we can create the users. We can have the detail about the count, like what are the number of users who have onboarded on application actually. And further, we the admin can also feed into the community of the campus, like UTASM is having 7 members in it. So what kind of community it is, and what kind of content the users are sharing, so that it will be helpful for the admin to maintain the decorum of the campus. So this is the community info of UTSM, where admin is Arman, and this community is created by Fahad Sheikh, member. At what kind of chatting the students are doing on the in the community. So this is all about the community. Further, we have the network section, and this networking section shows us like what all are the number of connections which are successful with in coming in previous 10 days, and what are the number of connections which were unsuccessful. So this is showing the graphical representation about that. And then we have the uses of the application, which shows that if the application is installed for the particular campus, on that campus, whether the students are using that application to the greater extent, or they all are just ignoring it. So the admin can see that all thing from here, and he can have the total number of users at 3.59 uh, PM or AM, or else the total number of hours or uses time of the users on the platform. Further, we are having the profile section where the user can have see the his or her own profile. And finally, I'll log out of the admin section. So this was all about from the admin part, and that's it from our presentation. Thank you, and thanks for the organizer, and thanks for the Erode Institute as well. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this nice presentation. Okay. You three members are present, I think four, right? Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
Excuse me?
We are having the 4 members.
Okay, just give me your names, please.
Yes.
Can you please conclude with your group batch members' name? In
Yes.
your presentation is not I couldn't see that, I think.
Yes. Yes.
Or else,
Not audible.
Yes.
ऑडिबल नहीं हो बोल दे क्या तू बोल रहे
So, like I just pronounced their name.
once again, can you please show me the
स्टार्ट
front page of your slide? There was a presentation initially. It is given like
प्रेजेंटेशन
Shaik, I think so.
नहीं
The
Shakil
प्रेजेंटेशन
presentation slide
Ansari,
you.
the
Hello.
first member.
बेच यार तू बोल देना तू करना शेयर अबे नाम बताते ना पीपीटी बोल देना तो पीडीएफ
Mic
पीडीएफ वो
on है मेरा.
उसका
Okay. Shakil Ansari and Din Sheikh. Okay. Okay.
मैसेज
Slide.
पे देखो उधर नाम का.
Yes. Yes.
ऐसे
I'll be showing. I'm opening it. Yes. Yes, Karthik.
ये आइडिया
My PC, my system is little bit lagging. Just a second, Karthik.